it says how many ounces in 500 milliliters, and I think the next question is going to be the exact same. So I'm basically going to do this problem. I'm going to do this problem once, and then move ahead here. So I think this is question 6. Yeah, I might finish early today because I think I doubled up on a question today here. So it says how many ounces are in 500 milliliters. So again, we have, in this case, we have ounces here, which is in the, this here is in the empirical system. And this guy here is in the metric system, right? So we're gonna have to find some relationship between ounces and milliliters here, but they all measure volume here, right? So it's just a different measure of volume here. So it says here that if I want to convert ounces to milliliters, I know that my conversion factor would be 1 fluid ounce would equal 29.5735 milliliters here. So if I know this conversion factor here, I have to now find how many ounces are in 500 milliliters, right? So let's see. If I have 500 milliliters here, I'm going to multiply that by how many fluid ounces are in a milliliter. I have 29.5735, right? So I'm going to say 1 fluid ounce divided by that's going to be 29.5735 fluid ounces or milliliters in a fluid ounce, right? So in this case, the milliliters are going to cancel out and get 500 times 1 divided by 29.5735, which would equal my answer here, 29.5735, which would give me 16.907 fluid ounces here. And this solution is my answer here. 16.907 will be my answer for this problem here. As you can see, they did the exact same thing. 1 milliliter equals 1 divided by 29.5735, which is what I did here. 500 milliliters times 1 fluid ounce is 29.5735. So therefore, 500 times 1 over 29.5735 would give me 16.901 or 16.91 ounces or fluid ounces here. So the solution here is correct. Good analysis.